Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to Python interview questions number 46. The next question what we have here is 47th question. What is this question? Very simple. How to swap two integer values in Python by using arithmetic operators. Of course, by using temporary variables, you know very well, but by using arithmetic operator or operators, I want to swap two integer values. How you can do? See, there are two versions are there for this program, but I will take both versions. Version 1. What is the first version? Directly I am taking example, friends. Assume I am taking the value of x is equal to like int of input, and I am asking enter x value. So the user is going to provide the value of x. Y is equal to int of input. I am taking enter y value. I am going to read the value of y. Now in a formatted string I am taking. So before swapping, the value of x is nothing but x, and the value of y is nothing but I am taking y. Like that we have. Now, sir, after swapping. So what is the value of x and y? Between this, I want to do that swapping. How you can do? I want to take arithmetic operators. The first combination, that is nothing but version 1. Sir, I am taking, okay, addition and subtraction for doing this operation. How you can do? X is equal to, I am taking x plus y. Y is equal to, I am taking x minus y. X is equal to, I am taking x minus 1, x minus y. This is nothing but a simple logic, friends. But how it is going to work? Definitely, I will take the diagram, then only you will get more clarity. Consider the value of x I am giving as a 5. The value of y I am giving as a 6. Before swapping, these are the values or not? Yes. What is the value of x? 5. What is the value of y? 6. Now I want to do the modification. What is that modification? What is the first step? We are adding the value of x with y. That is nothing but 6 plus 5. Result is what? 11. I am storing that value 11 inside x. So the value of x is 5, which is updated to 11. Next instruction is what? X minus y. Your x value is what? 11. 11 minus latest value of x, it is going to consider 11 minus 6. Okay, which is nothing but 5, sir. Okay, that is nothing but the latest value of which variable? 5. Sorry, y. Next, what is the third instruction? Again x minus y. What is the x value? 11. What is the latest value of y? 5. 11 minus 5 is nothing but what? 6. That will be copied to which variable? X. Let us update this variable. Now you can see, sir, before swapping, x is 5, now x is 6. Sir, before swapping, y is 6, now y is 5. Like we can do which operation? Swapping. By using which operators? Addition and subtraction. This is first version. Like that we can do even by using multiplication and division also. But let me execute this code and check whether really is it working or not. Sir, I am taking 5 and 6. Before swapping, x is 5, y is 6. After swapping, x is 6, y is 5. Sir, is this rule is applicable only for small numbers? No, sir. If you run the program by taking, okay, so 105 and 108, sir, it will work for this. Sir, is it working for negative numbers? Let us check. Is it working for negative numbers or not? Yes. This is nothing but how we can work with swapping of two numbers by using arithmetic operators version 1. Same program I want to implement by using second version. How to do that? I am reading two numbers from the user and I am taking version 2. What is the second version? By using multiplication and division, I am taking this. Only in the place of addition, I am taking multiplication. In the place of subtraction, I am taking division. Like that we have. Sir, except that nothing is there here. Okay. In the place of addition, I replaced multiplication. In the place of subtraction, I have taken the division. Now let us see how it is going to work. First, let me demonstrate. So really, is it working or not? Let me demonstrate. Consider in this example, I am taking x is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to 4. Simple numbers I have taken. Now, what is the original value of x? 3, sir. What is the value of y? Sir, it is a 4, sir. So x into y I am taking. I am multiplying the value of x with the value of y. Sir, 3 into 4. What is the result? 12. So 12 will be stored inside x. 12 will be stored inside x. What is the next instruction? X by y. We are dividing the value of x with y. 12 by 4. What is the result? 3. 3. So that 3 will be copied to y, sir. What is the next instruction? Again x by y. What is the value of x? 12. By what is the value of y? 3. Sir, 12 by 3 means what? Is it 4 or not? Yes. Sir, previously x value is 3. Now it is 4. Previously y value is 4. Now it is 3. Sir, is swapping is performed or not? Yes. Sir, I think this is the best example what we have here. But let me try. Really, is it working or not? We have to demonstrate. I am running the program by taking 3 and 4. Yes, but you can see in Python, the biggest problem with the division is nothing but it will always return floating point value. That's why better to change this. Now you can see the exact values. Sir, 3 and then 4, 4 and then 3. Now I am giving triple 1, triple 2. Triple 1, triple 2, triple 2, triple 1. Now I am giving minus 123. So minus 456. You can see minus 123, minus 456, minus 456, minus 123. Like that, it is going to work. So I hope this example, like how to swap two given integer values in Python by using arithmetic operators, it is very clear for you people. I think so, right? Thank you, friends.